How to use Zoom on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Zoom on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click now all you need to do is just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after click on it just click this one, Zoom. Here you will find it, click on it, and then just here you can manage Zoom just like that. It's easy, just manage it like anything you want and click OK, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.